Welcome back to the research world. In today's video, I will be showing you that how you can form an online survey for the academic or the non-academic purposes. So let's begin. On the right hand side, in the top corner, there is an option of the Google Apps. So simply click on this Google Apps. Now scroll down and you will see the option of Google Forms. So click on this Google Forms. Once the new window is open, you will see a blank survey form. So click on this blank survey form. Now you can see that a separate survey form has been opened for you. Now first of all, you need to give the title of your survey. For example, I am going to name it social media. That is the title of my survey, and below you can add a particular description for this very survey. For example, I am conducting this survey to analyze the impact of social media on students' academic performance. That is the description of your survey. So you are done with the title of your survey and with the description of your survey. In order to make it more attractive, you can add a picture in the start of your survey. So for that, you need to click on this option, that is customize theme. Once it has been opened, now click on the header, that is the choose image. Go to the upload option, click browse and open a specific picture to your survey. So for example, I have selected this picture for my survey. Now you can see that there is a picture in the top of this survey, and below there is a social media title and the description of my survey. Now you can add questions in this survey, or you can make sections in order to make it more attractive. So on the right hand side, there is an option at the very end. Click on it and there will be the creation of section in your survey. So you can see that is the section 1 and the section 2. Now in the section 2, you need to ask the questions about the demographics. For example, you want to know about the demographics of your participants. Click enter. Now you want to add questions in this demographic section. So this is the first question. So for example, you want to know the name of your participant. What is your name? That is the first question in the demographic section. Now there are multiple options available for this question. You can select multiple choice question, or you can select the short question. As this is more appropriate for the question like this, so I am keeping this short answer. Now if you want to make this question mandatory, that is the participants would not be able to continue to your survey without giving their name, so you can click on this required option. That is, you are switching on the required option. Now this question has become mandatory. If you want to add more question in the demographic section, click on this plus sign And for example, you want to know the age of your participants. So this is the age of your participants, and you can select the multiple choice questions. For example, the first option is 20, the second one is, for example, the 30, the fourth one is the 40. Similarly, if you want to add some more questions in the demographic section, click again on the plus button, and you can ask about the gender of your participants. That is, what is your gender? Now it automatically gives you the multiple choice question for such sort of the questions. So the first option would probably be the male, or it can be female. Okay, so in this way you can make your survey by putting all the questions of your particular survey in this online format. Now if you want to preview your survey, so you can click on this I button and you will be able to make a preview of your survey. If you want to change the color of your survey, so you can select different colors for your survey, as well as if you want to share it with your friends, with your colleagues, so you can directly send it to your contacts by writing the emails here, or you can check the responses of this survey, that how much participant has done this survey. So you can get all the information over here. Hopefully this short video will help you in making the online survey for your academic and non-academic purposes.